Hi, this is Brent Stevens again. Thank you for visiting us for another Zingbooks tutorial. On this tutorial, we are going to go over using our live chat function. In this instance, we're pretending like we typed in our username and our password, and we are continuing to have an invalid email and password message pop up. Okay, so we can't figure that out, so we want to go ahead and click on live chat here, and this window is going to pop up here in the corner. I have my name here actually already in there, and I have my email address, and I'm going to let them know, this is our chat people, let them know as I am having issues logging in. I have forgotten my password. Can you please reset it for me? Pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and click this button, send chat request. And we get that cool little noise if you have your speakers on. I'm going to turn mine down just a bit. As you can see down here, it's saying Jake is typing. Jake is one of our support reps, and he is here to help our users of Zingbooks with any issues they may have. So currently he's typing a response. Okay, he says, "Hi Brent, no problem. I can reset your password for you. Give me just a moment." That's very helpful, Jake. Okay, so we'll wait here until Jake responds back. Okay, Jake's typing again. Okay, he says, "Okay, your password's been reset. Your new password is password." So there you go. He just fixed my problem. I'm going to tell Jake thanks so much and to have a great day. And I will go up here and type in the password, and boom, we just logged right back in. Okay, and there we go. So we're good, and I can close the chat. So that's real quick and easy how to use the Zingbooks Live Chat function. It is here for your convenience. If you have any questions, you can always ask. If it is after hours, there is a button over here that has an email icon there. So if you click that, okay, you can actually come in here and fill this out and send the email instead of going into chat, and it will send us an email to, or send an email to the support department, and they will get with you as soon as possible. That may be the next business day, or if it's on a weekend, it will be Monday morning first thing. Okay, so I hope this helps you guys understand how to use the live chat and email function. If you have any questions, as always, email us at support@zingbooks.com. Have a great day.